Dr. Senku here to spit some facts. Carbonated water, cilantro, lime, and honey caramel are all the ingredients you need to make cola, if you can believe it. You should try tossing some lime zest onto crushed cilantro. You'll be shocked at how much it smells like good old cola.
Dr. Stone follows Senku in his quest to rebuild and restore the world through science. To solidify an alliance, Senku is asked to create a bottle of cola, but given the current level of technology, this is a tall order. In the episode and issue of the manga, we're only given the base 4 ingredients, but we aren't given any kind of recipe beyond the statement that crushed coriander or cilantro and pressed lime zest smell together like cola. We'll take this as our starting out point by cutting up some coriander into a more manageable size. Next, we'll want the zest of 1 lime. Considering the tools Senku had on hand, a mortise and pestle is the best bet for extracting the oils from the coriander and lime, as it is one of the earliest cooking tools on record. Now I'll add in some of the lime juice and work the mixture until it becomes a paste. On to making caramelized honey, which is straightforward, putting honey over a medium heat. Don't take it too far as we still want it to have a syrup consistency. Now combine the still hot caramelized honey with the lime and coriander mixture. Now we can strain off the mixture as we've extracted the oils from the rind and the leaves. Also, I don't particularly like pulp in my cola, but that's my personal preference. As the final step, we'll add the syrup to carbonated water, which damn does it react to that water and just overflow if you're not careful. I can say that this is 10 billion% not a cola. I understand this would be the best soda that you could make in a cave without resorting to early Coke recipes, which of course had cocaine in them. All in all, it is a very sweet and tart citrus drink. Not at all unpleasant, but very sour. If this episode moves you even just a millimeter, consider hitting that subscribe button below. See you next time, guys.